Welcome to the Vegetarian Bachelor. Chef Paul here. I love food and I've spent years in my kitchen cooking for myself, my friends, and family. But 20 years ago, I stopped eating meat for a number of reasons. First, the animal agribusiness is so gnarly. It's just not sustainable. It's killing the human race and the planet we live on. Second, the benefits, the health benefits of a vegetarian diet are countless. Today we're finding communities of centenarians, people living into their hundreds without the aid of modern Western medicine. These communities where meat consumption is non-existent. And third, dare I say spiritual. Krishna loves his cows, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Whatever your reasons are, if you're watching this, you've landed on something that inspired you to find my channel. If you have decided to not eat meat, then you're likely asking yourself, well, what do I eat instead? If you want to learn how to cook, or maybe you know how to cook, but the vegetarian thing is new for you, or you've been a vegetarian a long time and need some fresh and new ideas, then stick around. Here I'm going to share and demonstrate things I've learned in my kitchen, principles of working with food, techniques for preparing vegetables and plant-based ingredients. I'm going to show you how to use the basic and essential tools you'll need in your kitchen so you can improvise and create healthy and delicious meals for yourself, your friends, and your family. Food is about sharing, and cooking is exciting. Eating your vegetables should be an enriching experience. If New York's best restaurant can go plant-based and be successful, then believe me, so can you. Cooking's not hard. It just takes a little time and effort. Finding and making that time is so worth it. All right, are you with me? Let's get cooking.